Another flood mitigation scheme inspected, yet one more episode of frustration and helplessness felt in the end. A pumping station in Atondo district built to the tune of nearly $250 million pesos, 8 years was a failure at the onset. And a construction company by the name of Lebron is to blame and associated with a GOAT, as our Isaiah Mirafuentes reports.
Pumping stations are the immediate solution to prevent flooding in an area, but it seems that its effect in Manila is different. Ever since the Sunog Apog pumping station was built, residents of Hermosa Street, Barangay 183, Zone 2, Tondo, Manila have been experiencing inconvenience.
Mahirap kasi lagi kami naglilimas ang bahay. Tapos ang hirap, hanggang dito yung tubig sa bahay, hanggang tuhod. Tapos sa labas hanggang dito.
The road there that did not usually get flooded before, now the floodwater reaches neck deep in their area. Earlier, DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon and Mayor Benjamin Magalong were dismayed when they saw the pumping station. The engineers of the field project faced them. It was revealed that the pumping station, built 8 years ago, has not been working. The funds for this project reached more than 700 million pesos, which started in 2018, but it was immediately damaged.
Imbes na makatulong ito, nakasama pa kasi nung wala ito, mababa lang ang tubig dito. Nung ginagay nila to at obviously hindi gumagana since matapos to, since mapondohan nung 2017, 2018, gumrabi yung baha dito.
What's worse, because it was not functioning, in 2024, its repair was again funded with almost 100 million pesos.
Tinanong ko nga, meron na bang DPWH secretary na nagpunta dito? Meron daw, si Secretary Bunuan daw. Pero ang naging solusyon nga nila Secretary Bunuan daw is gumastos na naman ng 100 milyon.
And the project is being done by a contractor named Lebron Construction Company. Aside from not functioning, today's inspection also revealed that the project did not even have a building permit, so there is no electricity.
And I'm gonna tell you straight, huwag na kayo lumayo. O tingnan ninyo. O,
Walang kuryente.
walang kuryente. Kasi walang building permit. Pag walang building permit, hindi yan bibigyan ng Meralco.
Another suspected reason for the failed project, none other than corruption. It is possible that some benefited from the funds allocated for the pumping station. That is why Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso also questioned lawmakers.
Dalawa yan. Noong una, Lopez. After ng Lopez, Roland Valeriano na hanggang ngayon. I mean, I'm not saying he's at fault. But as far as the pattern is concerned, with regard to congressional insertion, discretion, and lobbying or pooling resources from the respective district out of the NEP, out of the GAA, is congressman ang gumagawa.
Mayor Benjamin Magalong and Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon stood firm that they will investigate the anomaly in this flood control project.
Walang magasakit eh. Yun ang problema, tingin ko. Walang magasakit. Gagawa ng proyekto, baliwala na hindi gumagana o substandard o minsan ghost yung proyekto.
Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.